another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about and get inspired by this amazing wig that I have for you from divatress.com. Of course, links are down below, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons and save some money and be fabulous. So, I have been in search of a really fun, wavy, kinky wig like this. And I don't know if you saw my video, but I did get a blonde one right here. And I didn't realize when I bought it that I actually had no parting. And also, since it was super blonde, you could totally see the waves that there was no parting. So I was like, that's not it. Like, it's still a great wig. I'm still gonna wear it, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. So this wig is probably exactly what I was looking for. And honestly, I got it in this amazing heather gray color, and we're gonna go into that even more. But I was really tempted with this beautiful coppery color. Look at that one, so good. So anyway, this wig is from It's a Wig, and this also has a Swiss lace front as well. Also, this is heat friendly, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This also has a V-shape back to it, so the way it's cut. And she's actually like a bonus heather gray, like not just gray, people. Let's look at this gorgeous piece. So she is a silky wig. So let's talk about this color. Like I mentioned, like she's a bonus. So of course you see this gray, but also she's kind of purpley. So if you kind of like go into the wig, like next layer, you see a bunch of purple. Look at that. But it's like a gray purple, and I just am in love. The color, so of course with the dark roots, but it kind of lightens up right around here, and then it kind of has a little bit of a darker bottom. I don't know if you can see all of that, as well as that V. So like I said, she's very soft and silky. For the lace, she does have a medium toned lace color. Also, her actual parting is, I'd say, about 4 inches or so. And I feel like it is slightly curved, like a slightly curved parting. Also, she has a couple combs. So she has 2 combs right up here, kind of in the front. And then she has the 1 comb in the bottom with the fasteners. So let me just spin her around so you can take a little look at the construction of this wig. She also has a medium cap, but I do feel like it's a little bit smaller than your average medium cap. I feel like this would be large head friendly, of course, just on a very loose setting, or of course not even using the fasteners. Okay, so let's put this girl on. I'm so excited to show you. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that as well. Put her on exactly using the comb in the back as my middle. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. I love it. She is so, like, she's like a perfect volume and very, like I said, very silky. And I just love this color. I feel like this color is truly like a one of a kind, as it has those purple tones inside of the wig and kind of like in it. It's just real gorgeous. Okay, so this is, let's see here. So you can see kind of the length of it, kind of at mid chest. I'm 5'7", so that's about mid chest right there. But I really love how gorgeous it is. Now, I was kind of moving it around and like, what if I just put it down the middle parting? So I kind of I'll just shift it just so you can kind of see that even though technically it isn't a middle part wig, but I kind of even like it down the middle. What do you guys think about this? And I did actually add a little bit of powder to the parting, but all I did was cut the lace off and then add a little bit of powder, but I've done nothing to it. So customize away with it as you choose. This is basically like an unboxing. Definitely let me know if you have a wig with these similar color tones, or if you have a really fun wig just like this with these really great curls. I wanna know about it. And of course, I absolutely love when all of you reach out to me and send me comments and email me and Instagram me. I really enjoy it and I love hearing from all of you. And let's just keep the positivity up and empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this gorgeous heather gray wig, go and get it. So again, this is from divatrust.com. The coupon's down below as well as the link. Follow me on Instagram. I so enjoy each and every one of you, and we will see you soon.